Scrappy family, Amanda here. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. I shared one of these type of videos before as I prepare for my crop and I make some kits. So as you may know, we host monthly crops here in the Riverview, Florida area. And so what I'm trying to do now is just prepare some kits for an upcoming crop. So I have, as I've mentioned several times before, I used to print literally every picture in my phone that I wanted to scrapbook. So I have these pictures back from 2021 of my mom and my sister, my daughter, and my nephew. They went to Dinosaur World here in Florida. So I want to finally get these done. I think these pictures probably will be, I don't know, 2 double page layouts maybe. My mom had printed out a bunch of doubles and she made hers in the 4x4 size. So that's what I'm going to work with. And then some of these 4x6s that I printed. So right now we're not going to scrapbook. We're just going to make some kits so that when I go to my crop, I can easily get them done. So for this, I have this really old, close to my heart sticker, collection. I don't have the paper from it, but I've been saving it for these pictures specifically because it has a pink T-Rex and some pink dinosaurs. So kind of like giving a feminine view for dinosaurs. And it has like some dinosaur things. It also has, hey, that's my boy. I think there was like a girl reference one before that I may have used. So anyway, these 2 embellishments are kind of paramount to how I want to scrapbook these photos, these memories. So I'm going to put this in my kit. I'm actually going to throw these pictures in this here. And then for papers, I actually have, because with my son, everything is dinosaur, right? So I actually have Dinosaur Adventure from Echo Park and Dynamite from Echo Park. This is another kit that I have created previously that I didn't get to do. So hopefully I'll get to do that at the crop as well. So I have some pictures of the baby in like a dinosaur robe. So this is like my dino stuff. All of my embellishments and things that relate to dinosaurs. So we've got this collection here. I have the 6x6 as well as the 12x12 in here. Then this is Jurassic by Photoplay. So again, more dinosaur embellishments. For the Dynamite, I have the ephemera words as well as the frames and tags. I've got some stickers from Hobby Lobby that are dinosaur. So again, I have quite a bit of dinosaur items to utilize to get these memories documented. So that is going to be one of the subject matters I hope to complete at the crop. So based on the pictures of the baby and the trip to Dinosaur World, I should be able to get at least 6 pages out of that. Next, I have these photos of my daughter when she was younger. Again, these are all older photos. It doesn't say when, but this is probably like 2021, 2022. She was obsessed with the Disney princesses. This was our life, right? And I loved it because I'm a Disney girl as well. So it just made me so happy. This, at one point, we lined up all of her stuffed animals. She ended up getting quite a bit more than what was lined up here. But as you can see in this picture, she slept with them. They were all in her bed. She made sure to look at them each night. Like, she was totally in love with her her princesses. And anytime we left the house, she was sure to grab one. And because I'm the mom I am, and I always am envisioning a scrapbook layout, whenever she would grab one, I would try to match her clothes to it, right? So on this particular day, we've got Tiana and we've got a Tiana shirt. Or if I got her dress first, I'd kind of coerce her into picking the one I want her to wear. So, so anyway, I want to document those memories. I have this Echo Park 6x6 paper pad, My Little Girl. And in here, it has some really great patterns, very fun pastel little girl colors. But there was also a cut apart that I thought was going to be perfect. Where is it? You're Such a Doll I thought was cute, but that's not the one I was thinking about. Hold on, let me find it. Oh, this one. Play All Day, Sleep All Night. I thought that would be perfect for her being asleep in the bed with the dolls. So that was why I really wanted to use this paper collection. And then I have the frames and tags that go along with it to utilize for some embellishments. But I also have this really old Simple Stories Enchanted collection 6x6 paper pad as well. And it's a princess themed paper pad. So thinking maybe we can utilize some items from here as well. It's got the frog for Tiana, so I think I want to utilize that some way, somehow in there too. And then, of course, I have some Disney princess stickers as well. So if the opportunity calls, I'll pull some of these, but I don't know. But that's all of the things I gathered to document these photos in particular. Now, if I took the time, I could probably find some more photos in my stash that I could probably add to this, but I'm gonna just focus on this for the kit for next month. All right. We've got a theme of Hannah this month, which is probably my theme every month, if I'm being honest with myself. But then here, I have some photos. I love macaroons. I've always loved them. So here are some photos of my sister, my younger sister, and Hannah and I eating macaroons. Again, I'm a scrapbooker. These are totally like, hey, I'm going to take pictures. So I've got these photos of us enjoying a delicious snack. And I have this paper collection. This is a Doodlebug paper collection. This is super old, 2016. Okay, so when I'm telling you we're stash diving for photos and product, we're going deep. And in here, they had some macaroons. Now, I may have used it already because this paper pad, as you can see, is very well loved. There's not a lot of pieces left in here, but the color palette will still work for what I'm looking to do. There's some cut aparts in here as well. I don't know. I'm going to utilize this for these memories. I don't think there's any more macaroons in here, but this is the odds and ends cream and sugar that went with it. And so there's a macaron right here, and I'm sure that I have more in here. Yeah, see, there's another one there. So we'll utilize these to embellish the page with as well. So we'll probably have to pull out a bit more from our stash to be able to properly document this, but I want to get these done. And so that's another kit that we put together. Then I have these two photos of Hannah in these like unicorn overalls that my mom got her. And this is going to be a single page layout, but she just looks so adorable and just like ready to take on the world. And I have this Pebbles 6x8 paper pad, and it's got unicorns and just like all the things girly. So because they're denim overalls, I like the navy or the darker blue in this collection. So that's why I pulled this out versus the various other unicorn paper I have. So I'm going to use this paper pad to document this memory for my kit. As I'm going through this, I know that there's no way I'm going to get all these pages done, but a girl can dream, can't she? All right. Then I have these pictures of my daughter, and she loves when I allow her hair to be out and curly. Now, if you have curly hair, you know that it never stays the way that it looks when it's wet. So this is a Sunday we went to church, and this was her getting dressed before, and this is after church when the humidity has gotten to her hair and it is no longer sleek, but it is full and curly, and she's still so cute, and I just love it. So I want to document that transition for her because she always asks me to let her hair be in its natural state, and I just want to show her for the future her to see, you know, how it looks. But I want to use this New Day paper collection. I know that I have some embellishments that go with this. I just haven't been able to find them in my stash, but I will continue to look for them. So this is a 6x6 paper pad. It's got like the light blues and the purples, and I think it'll just pair really well with these photos. And it's got like really cute cut aparts. Like I love this one that says Simply Beautiful, Live Life in Full Bloom. I think that goes well. So I think that this would be a really cute and appropriate collection to go with it. And then I have these stickers in some words, but they're like ombre coloring for them. So I just think it's really cute. And I know that I can get a nice title from this for when I do the layout. So that's that. Okay, so then I have these photos of Hannah riding her scooter in the house. Now, she had just gotten this scooter. This was right after her birthday. So she was really finding it difficult to maneuver the scooter. So this was her playing with it in the house. Again, this will probably be a single page layout. However, I want to use this Echo Park Play All Day because they have this paper here. It has a bike on it, but you know, there's wheels, so we're good. And so I liked that. And then there was a cut apart in here as well that I thought would be really appropriate to document this. Oh yeah, Girl on the Go. So I thought that was really cute. It's pink, the bicycle here, and her scooter is pink. So I thought that would work. And I have a ton of embellishments as well as 12 by 12 paper for this collection. So here's some of the chipboard. Again, I've used this collection quite a bit. It's one of my favorites in my stash because I do so many photos of Hannah. And I have the sticker book. And in here, there's so many wonderful embellishments that I can pull out. And honestly, I'm going to bring this with me. I can probably use it on some of the other kits that we put together as well. So we have that we're going to do. And then the last set of photos I brought out for this particular crop are these pictures of Hannah and I doing some chalk art outside. She loves doing chalk art outside, and here's me being so glamorous and cute. So I just want to do these photos. I actually have this piece of, I don't even know what you want to call it. I don't know what it is. It's a piece of paper, but it says chalk art on it. It's got like all the little kid drawings. I think it'll be really cute to utilize at the bottom of the page as we embellish it up. This is like a really, really old. I know that this has to be from like early 2000s, but it's still in my stash. So I want to use it up. And then we've got this, my artwork as well. I'm not sure if this will go because I don't think I'll be able to utilize both of them, but we'll see what works. Then I had this cut apart, Go Outside and Play. I had these really funky letter stickers from Dollar Tree that I want to use up as well. And this is part of the Photo Play, Go Outside and Play collection, which I think, you know, has some fun items that we can pull out just to add some embellishment to this particular layout. And then I have this sticker sheet. I pulled it out because I like this Let's Color. I know these are crayons and not chalk, but I really just like this one. So I pulled it out. We'll see if we use any of it or not. But yeah, so that's it. Those are all of the items that I have prepared for this crop. So I'm going to put these in their respective Ziploc bags and put them in my crop bag to go. And then after the crop, I'll come back and I'll do a layout share similar to how I did last month, so you guys can see how these layouts actually turned out. I did previously try to record while at a crop and it was an epic fail. So how we'll do this now, we'll create the kits, then I'll come back and do a layout share and, you know, revisit the product that was used if anything changes. Okay, so thank you guys so much, and I can't wait to show you what I'm able to create. I hope that you are able to do something creative to make yourself proud today as well. See you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.